Pop, snap, crackle. No, this isn't your breakfast cereal, it's your joints. So, does cracking your joints really lead to arthritis? The short answer is no. According to medical experts, there's no solid evidence linking joint cracking to arthritis. That popping sound you hear, it's just gas bubbles bursting in the fluid around your joints. Sometimes a crack sound can also be heard when a tendon moves over a part of the joint. Annoying, maybe. Dangerous, not so much. However, if it hurts when you crack them, best to see a doctor. Otherwise, crack away. Myth busted. So next time someone gives you grief about it, you know the facts. Stay curious and keep those joints happy. Stay informed, stay healthy. Like and subscribe Health Tuner.